Well, behind me you'll see our brand new sixth form centre. We're delighted to be building this whole new section of the school. It's going to have social space, learning space, classrooms, offices, a whole new careers facility, and it's going to be ready for September 2014 for a whole new group of students. The sixth form years are what the whole school aspires to, so right in the centre of the quad is going to be a wonderful building where the pupils, as they go up through the school, will spend their final 2 years. We're delighted to be using Interserve. It's a local company that understands the local market, understands education really well, and between them and us, we're hopeful that the building will be a wonderful example, I suppose, of what the school can achieve.
We were awarded the contract in the summer of last year, 2013. We're about halfway through the build, as you can see now. We've experienced a number of challenges with any type of build, as you would expect here. Firstly, of course, health and safety. As a result, we're working within a live school environment. You can see we're clearly set up in the middle of the school compound itself. A lot of live traffic with the school pupils coming in and out during the working day, or school day rather. And that's clearly our main focus.
All the younger pupils will have their opportunities to go in there and have a good look around, to get to know, exactly what Interserve are doing for us. There's lots of things for them to see. We're talking about time capsules and other things that they'll be opening when they're 18. We're delighted to take on board lots of different ideas that the company have got.
Interserve was selected by the school with our vast experience in the education sector. We pride ourselves at being used to working within these type of environments, really getting to grips and understanding what it is the school is trying to achieve with such a building, and we hope clearly to demonstrate our past track record with another fabulous project here. It's
really important to have that strong local relationship with the company that's building our sixth form centre. Well, they've got a really good track record with educational communities, in schools in particular. We saw some of the work they've done, and it was exactly what we were trying to achieve here. So what they can do, what we wanted, seemed to match up perfectly.
The building has many a challenge, none more so than the sheer number of materials that have been placed on the building facade. At least 5 or 6 different types of material, all from different manufacturers, causing issues with interfaces and what have you. There were issues that we experienced in the ground as we were nearing completion of the foundations. We discovered 3 large Victorian underground chambers used back in the 1800s as a means of potable water. The site's got huge military experience down the years, and it just so happened that we had to uncover those as we were near completion of those foundations. So some expected challenges, but also some unexpected challenges, as you would expect, I guess, in the construction industry.
This is going to be completely different in terms of the provision that we can offer for the 2 and most important years of children's education here at Portsmouth Grammar School. We're delighted about how it's going at the moment, and really excited about how it's going to turn out in September.
So one of the integral parts of the building here was the link bridge structure, which will tie in with the new sixth form centre that we're constructing, to actually link to the existing school. So you've got nearly 200 years of history, bringing the school as one homogenous building for the first time. Key factor in Interserve being awarded the contract is the fact that we're known, obviously local within the region, as well as our experience in this type of work. We've got a great track record at employing local contractors. Our supply chain is predominantly made up of local contractors, which is reinvesting then the money back into the local community, which the school will obviously delighted to hear. Working with our design partners, we're going to produce a real flagship building here for the Portsmouth Grammar School. It will be integral to the middle of the site. It will complement the existing structures that the school already have in place, and we hope that it will benefit both from a teaching and learning environment for the sixth formers for many a year to come.